Hey, welcome back to another video of Crypto Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to deactivate your BitGo account. First of all, open up your preferred web browser. Now, at the address bar, type in bitgo.com and click on Enter. Make sure that you are logged into your account. After that, at the top right corner of the screen, you will see your profile icon. Click on it. Then click on your name and email address button here. Now you can see that to deactivate your account, you will need to contact customer support of BitGo. Simply email on this link here and write an email about deactivating your BitGo account. After some time, they will reply to your email to deactivate your account. So that is how you can deactivate your BitGo account. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.